version of Mi's Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by accessing Settings. Now choose Bluetooth section over here and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature. Then just wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to, in my case that one, and wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, just click on one of your devices, on this little section over here, sorry that was a misclick, and tap on Unpair. As you can see, now they are disconnected. If you wish to connect into the same one again, just tap on it and follow all of those instructions again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!